right? This problem is it's not a quadratic, but it's called quadratic type. Do you remember the pattern of a quadratic type? Remember, quadratic type has the fourth power, the second power, and a constant. And what it means is we're going to be able to factor this just like we would that last quadratic that we did, right? It's just that instead of having the first term in each parenthesis be x, there'll be x squared, right? Because if I do x squared times x squared, I get that x to the fourth. But we just have to think what two numbers, the product is negative 36 and the sum is 5. One has to be positive, one has to be negative. Which one is positive? The bigger one has to be positive because when you add them together, you get positive 5. So it's plus 9 minus 4. Right? And then how can we factor x squared minus 4? Ryan? Plus 2 minus 2? Okay. X minus 2, x plus 2 times x squared plus 9. Okay, so these two factors will give us which answers? Yeah, x equals 2, x equals negative 2. You know, if we had to solve this one, x squared plus 9 equals 0, then add 9 to the other side or subtract 9 to the other side. And then what would happen when we take the square root? It's not a real number, right? We get an error. And at this point, we haven't really got to the imaginary numbers in this course yet. We would just say no solution from there. So there's not going to be any answers that come out of this factor here, right? If you take square root, you get non-real answers, which are not solutions for us now. So these would be the only solutions. Just recognize the pattern, and then it's just a matter of just that same old logic. You know what? Two numbers, product is that, sum is that.